30. 30 is divided by 4, then 4 7s are 28, remainder is 2. Here 30 is dividend, 4 is divisor, 7 is quotient, and 2 is remainder. So when we divide 30 by 4, then the quotient is 7 and the remainder is 2. Now the question is, what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder? What will be the remainder? What will be the remainder when 7162 plus 78482 plus 56725 is divided by 4. What is the question? The question is, what will be the remainder when this sum is divided by 4? To do this, we just check the last 2 digits of every number. 62 divided by 4, remainder is 2. 82 divided by 4, remainder is 2. 25 divided by 4, remainder is 1. This is equal to 5. This number 5 is greater than the dividend. What is the dividend? Dividend is 4, because we are dividing this number by 4 and we want to calculate what will be the remainder. This is 5 and this is greater than 4, so we divide 5 by 4 and the remainder will be 1. So the answer is 1. When this number is divided by 4, the remainder will be 1. Next, we want to calculate the remainder when the number 5160 plus 98482 plus 89725 is divided by 8. What will be the remainder when this sum is divided by 8? To check the remainder, we just take the last 3 digits of every number. We take the last 3 digits of every number and divide by 8. 160 divided by 8, remainder will be 0. 8 to the 16, remainder will be 0. And when we divide 482, the remainder will be 2. And when we divide 725, the remainder will be 5. And the sum of the remainder is 7. This is less than 8. If this come a number greater than 8, then we again divide the number by 8. Here 7 is less than 8, so we need not divide again by 8. So the answer is 7. The answer is 7. Next, we want to calculate the remainder when the number 3260 into 78 25 into 9738 is divided by 4. What will be the remainder when this number is divided by 4? For divisibility by 4, we just take the last 2 digits of every number and divide by 4. When 60 is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. When 25 is divided by 4, the remainder is 1. And when 38 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. Here we take the operation multiplication, because here the operation was multiplication. So we use the same operation here. 0 into 1 into 2 is equal to 0. So the remainder will be 0. Next, we want to calculate the remainder when 5, 4, 3, 6, 5 into 3, 2, 1, 7, 8 into 8, 9, 5, 3, 1 is divided by 25. Now we have no rule for 25. We split 25 is equal to 5 square. So we check the last 2 digits of every number. Last 2 digits of every number, because if the last digit of a number is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. To check the divisibility by 5, we just check the last digit. Here 25 is equal to 5 square, so we have to check the last 2 digits of every number. Now when 65 is divided by 25, then the remainder will be 15. But here we do not go in this way. We just take the last digit of every number. Last digit of every number. Just check for 5, because 25 is 5 square. So when 5 is divided by 5, then the remainder will be 0. When the 8 is divided by 5, the remainder will be 3. When 1 is divided by 5, then the remainder will be 1. Result becomes 0. So the answer is 0.